Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I know this is everybody's first time here because YouTube deleted my page, so now I have to start over. But outside of that, I'm going to skip the little intro for now. I'm going to get into those more as I get into more videos. This was my highest rated video on my last channel, so I'm going to redo this video, and this was a how-to on how to access your assessment scores or just your assessment on your profile, like if you want to show your assessment to the employers. So this is going to be on the mobile app. So I have Indeed downloaded on my iPhone. So I'm going to click on that. So it is on a button that says profile all the way to the right hand side. You'll click profile. You go to skill test, the assessments. And this is the page where you could toggle on and off to show your test results to your employers. And then to see these results, you will go to your Indeed resume. It'll be here. You'll have your name, all your information, but I'm going to try to go past mine. And yeah, that's that. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe below. If you have any other questions, please feel free to drop them below. If you want me to do the desktop version, which I did on my other page because people had questions about desktop as well, please leave that request below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.